Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to mute your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So friend, if you want to mute and no sound, so just click on this speaker icon and drag this link so 0. So you will see a cross sing on speaker. And also friend, you can mute by clicking on this speaker icon. So very easy and simple. And friend, in case you are not looking speaker icon in here, so click on this start and type speaker. That is. And press enter. So friend, if you want to mute, so 0 level. So this is very simple and basic video to mute Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.